Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can download audio or voice messages from Messenger PC. So this is very easy step. You just have to open up the chat. Here it is. I want to download this voice message. As you can see, there is no any download button here, but we want to download this. So in order to get download, you just have to tap on upper right corner of arrow and now tap on open in Messenger. First app, first option. After tapping on it, it will redirect you to chat screen in Messenger. Now you just have to right click and click on inspect. After tapping on inspect, you just have to tap on network. Here is network. Now after tapping on network, you just have to open that voice message you want to download. Just play
भाई पुरानी यादें ताज़ा करवा दी यार।
and here you can see here is the voice message. Now you just have to double click on it. After double click on it, it will ask you to download. So click in OK and here it is. That's all for today. I hope this method finds you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.